Hi everybody, myself Halavat Ramesh. Basically, I am from chemical science. So today we will discuss about very simple topic and recently we saw in newspaper TS Polycet notification. So regarding this issue, I plan to make a one small video about the TS Polycet. So in Telangana Polycet exam, the model paper and what are the courses in offering in Polycet and what is the pattern exam in MPC streams and BPC streams. What are the courses? What are the universities offering in Polyset based courses? We will discuss slide by slide. Okay. So now we can see here the Polyset Chemistry, TS Polyset Chemistry model paper and syllabus we will discuss here. Now you can see the first one slide. Polytechnic Common Entrance Test, Polyset 2024, 25, sorry, 25, the notification is came. So the application are invited from the candidate who are passed SSC or its equivalent examination recognized by the Board of Intermediate Education, Board of Intermediate Education in Telangana, Hyderabad, and appearing in the year of 2025 to appearing of the Polytechnic Common Entrance Test, simply will call as Polyset 2025, for seeking the admission into diploma courses in engineering and non-engineering technology offered by the polytechnics institutions including government, allied and the unaided polytechnic institutions of polytechnic running by the private engineering colleges. In Telangana, agriculture courses offered by the Professor Jayasankar Agriculture in Telangana Agriculture University and horticulture diploma courses offered by the Sri Konda Lakshman Telangana Horticultural University and the Animal Husbandry and the Fishery courses offered by the PV Narasimha Rao Telangana Veterinary University for as per the given in the some schedules. So actually this is the notification you seen in recent in newspaper and it is also now running in the notification. Now you can see the subject distribution. Suppose our student, if you look for engineering and someone is look for the agriculture engineering. So what is the questions pattern? You can see here, suppose if you want to join in engineering in diploma, so you can see here that mathematics is 60 questions, physics 30 questions and chemistry is the 30 question. So that is that exam pattern for the engineering students. Mathematics 60 questions and physics is 30 questions and chemistry is 30 questions. Okay. And suppose if you want to join in agriculture engineering, mathematics 60 questions, physics 30 questions, chemistry 30 questions and biology 30 questions. So this is the agriculture engineering. So the TS Polyset 2025 exam pattern involves in single like 2 hours paper, 120 multiple choice questions for engineering and the 150 for the agriculture engineering. So engineering students, they need to write only 120 multiple choice questions. Suppose if you want to join in agriculture engineering, there is a extra subject adding up biology. So 150 bits for the agriculture engineering. The questions are divided into mathematics, physics, chemistry with biology for the agriculture engineering. Each correct answer is worth for 1 marks. There is no negative marking in TS Polyset. Okay. So now is clear. So suppose if you want to join in engineering, no need to write for the biology stream bits. So biology here is 30 marks. So if you join to other courses like agriculture engineering, so you need to attempt the biology is 30 questions. Now you can see here next slide, in polytechnic courses offered by the State Board of Technical Education and Training Telangana in 3 years diploma courses. Suppose if you want to write in Polytechnic, the Polytechnic is 3 years diploma courses is offering here in Telangana Technical Board. So one is the civil engineering course, architectural assistantship, third one automobile engineering, fourth one mechanical engineering, fifth one electrical and electronic engineering, sixth one electronic and communication engineering, seventh one electronic and instrumentation engineering, eighth one computer engineering in diploma, mining engineering in diploma, metallurgical engineering in diploma, textile technology in diploma, chemical engineering in diploma, commercial and computer practice in diploma, garment technology in diploma. So these are the some polytechnic based diploma courses in special in engineering streams. Okay. Now you can move on to the next slides. In diploma courses offered by the Professor Jayasankar Agriculture, State Telangana Agriculture University. So Agriculture University offering 2 years diploma course in agriculture, okay, and diploma in organic agriculture in 2 years. Got it? So 2 years in diploma in agriculture and 2 years diploma in organic agriculture. So suppose after completion of 2 years, we need to go for the BSc agriculture in through the entrance exam. So that is the pattern. And you can see next one is the in agriculture stream there is a diploma agriculture engineering. This is the 3 years course. So you need to write BTech in agriculture engineering in first year through the entrance exam. So anyhow, you can see here the agriculture engineering is the 3 years course, diploma in organic agriculture 2 years course, and diploma in agriculture in 2 years course. So these courses are offering by the Professor Jayasankar Telangana State Agriculture University. Okay. So this is that agriculture university offering courses in 10th class based exams, Polytechnic entrance exam. Then you can see here what are the other diploma courses, like you can see the diploma courses offering with PV Narasimha Rao Telangana Veterinary University in the Telangana. So in diploma in veterinary, so animal herbassery polytechnic, that is a 2 years course in veterinary diploma course. This is very important. After completion of your diploma in 2 years in polytechnic in veterinary, then you can go for the BSc BVSc veterinary science. So this is also offering by the PV Narasimha Rao Telangana Veterinary University for 2 years diploma course of polytechnic. Next one you can see veterinary polytechnic. Next one is diploma course offered by the Sri Konda Lakshman Telangana State Horticulture University. So in Telangana, Horticulture University is the Konda Lakshman Telangana State Horticulture University. So there you can see the diploma courses in 2 years course in the diploma in horticulture. Then you can go for the BSc honors in horticulture. Okay, these are the courses, engineering courses, and the like MPC stream courses and BPC stream courses of the diploma courses. Okay, now you can see here what are the times of exam, how you will go into that to this year. You can see the commercial online, the started in March 19th, and last date of the online registration is April 19th in the last date. Last date of the payment of completion of is 21st, and last date of fee payment in this 23rd April 2025. The exam was conducted by May 13th. Okay, the exam will be in the month of May 13th. So you need to, this is the important dates to applying online and date exams and payment of online. Okay, then you can see here what are the Polycet exam in suppose MPC streams. So MPC streams, physics 30 marks, chemistry 30 marks, mathematics 60 marks, and biology is the 30 marks. Like BPC streams, BPC streams, people if want to join any agriculture engineering or any agriculture based polytechnic, so you need to attempt the biology. Okay, so now you can see into that polytechnic chemistry, especially as I am the chemistry fellow, then I need to give you some basic syllabus of the polytechnic chemistry. So in polytechnic chemistry, in what are the chemistry syllabus, you can see the main topics: chemical equation and reactions, acid base on salt, classification of elements and periodicity, and structures of atom, chemical bonding, carbon and its compound, principle of metallurgy. These are the chemistry syllabus in 2025 TS Polycet exam. Then you can see here somewhat closer your subject. You can see here the TS Polycet syllabus in especially in chemistry, nuclear chemistry, polymer chemistry, equilibrium chemistry, and the atomic structure, solid states of matter, redox directions, carbon and its compound, acid base and salts, classification of elements. These are the some chemistry syllabus main topics, especially in the TS Polycet syllabus. Okay, now you move on to the some few of the bits. This is the TS Polycet 2024 the bits, and here I was explained in it answer also. So the first one bit, what is the symbol used for the chemical equation to represent the gas involved in the reaction? Suppose gas is involved in the reaction, then what symbol you need to show? So the correct answer is upward direction, means the upward direction. Third one is the correct answer, used to indicate the evolution of gas during the reaction. Okay, that is the third one. Now you can see here in the second bit, volume of occupied by 10 grams of hydrogen at STP in liters is. So here is the right answer is 112 liters is the right answer. You can see that here explanation. The first we calculate the moles of hydrogen. So N is equal to mass by gram atomic mass. So mass is the 10 by 2 is the gram atomic mass. So N is equal to 5. So the volume is equal to moles into 22.4 in liter. So 5 into 22.4, the right answer is the 112 liters. So correct answer is second one is the correct answer in for second bit. Now we move on to the third one bit. What is the third one bit? You can see here. In third one bit, you can see, in third one bit, it's coming soon. Third one bit, quantum mechanical model of atom was developed by Niels Bohr, Sommerfeld and Schrödinger. So the quantum means immediately we think the Schrödinger is the first atom model is developed by the Schrödinger. So right answer is third one is the Schrödinger, third one. Maximum number of electrons in a subcell is equal to. So the right answer is 2l plus 1. Azimuthal quantum number 0, 1, 2, 3. S, B, D, F. So this is the maximum number of electron subcell is equal to azimuthal quantum number. That point you need to keep in your brain. That is very important. Then fifth one is the what law of octaves was proposed by Newland. John Newland is the first he introduced this octant rule. Especially in the law of octaves, that was proposed by the John Newland. So fifth one right answer is the fourth one. Now you can see the sixth one bit, the number of unpaired electrons present in carbon atom. That is very simple. That is direct bit. So number of unpaired electrons present in carbon atom, here is option given 6, 4, 3 and 2. So carbon is having number of unpaired electron is the right answer is 2. Okay. And seventh one bit, number of electron present in sixth periodic of modern periodic tables. So the right answer is 32. The sixth periodic, the modern periodic table is the 32. And eighth one bit, which one of the following atom is smaller in size? Here is given fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon. So in given these four options, which is the smaller size of the atom? So fluorine is the smaller size atom. So the right answer is fluorine. Okay. Then ionization energy along with periodic table, the left to right, if we generally think it will be increased. That is the right answer. Now then you can see the 10th one bit, the element which atomic number 17th belong to dash. You can see here the 7th A group and third periodic table is the 17th block of belonging to the atomic number. And 11th one is the oxygen gains dash electron during the chemical changes. So oxygen is gains in the 2 electrons during the chemical changes. That is the fundamental bit. Okay. Now you can see here 12th one, number of bond pairs and lone pairs in the valence shell of nitrogen in ammonia NH3. So the right answer is 3, 1. So that is the right answer for direct bit. Now we'll move on to the 13th bit, band angle of BeCl2 molecule. So band angle of BeCl2 is 180 degrees. Okay. Now 14th one, the ionic bond form transpiration of electron from metal atom to non-metal atom. The polar covalent bond is present in HCl. Now is 16th one, double bond present in dash oxygen is the right answer, direct bit. The color of methyl orange indicates the basic solution is yellow color. The reaction of acid with the base is gives the salt and water known as the neutralization. Okay. Then you can see 19th one, which of the following is used for the disinfecting drinking water? So chlorine tablet, simply bleaching powder is the disinfecting water. Next one, see the process of dissolving acid or base in a water, that is called exothermic process. Okay. The metal occurs in the 3 forms of native is called gold. Now you can 22 galena is are the ores of that lead, and the spelling of the words, and this is that one bit you can see here, and this is a 25, 26, 27 bits, and this is 28, 29 bits.